show you the LeadConnector and how it looks on your phone using the LeadConnector app with GoHighLevel. So what you see behind me here in the screen is GoHighLevel, and all these items can also be shown on your phone directly through the app called LeadConnector. So I'm going to share my screen here on my phone so you can kind of see the same thing, and I'll put it up here on the side. So we're looking at the contacts here, and then we're also looking at the contacts on my phone here. Kind of going to walk through how that looks. If we go into the opportunities here, you can also see opportunities in the application. We're seeing the same thing here. You can click through and pull them through the different phases of that new customer. You can set values and whatnot. And I'll show you that on the application or on the app here also. So I have my phone open. You can see the similar information there. So we got the desktop view, and then also on the phone side here. What else can we show you? You can set quick items here. So if you need to send an email to that customer on the application, you can do that on your phone right here. You can add a contact if you're on the go. You can scan their business card, book an appointment, request a review, new payment, new opportunity, or make a call or send them a text message. And that's kind of just the quick overview when you have the LeadConnector app open on your phone here. You should be seeing on the right-hand side of the screen here. I'm just sharing my phone, and that's clicking the little lightning bolt icon. It'll give you all those items that you can do real quick. The plus icon here, you can scan a business card or add a contact. You got your calendar here on the LeadConnector app. We'll also show it. You can get into your calendar on the desktop view here, and they're going to show similar information. So this is just a demo appointment, but you can show those items also on your phone here if you're in there. The little money symbol there is to take a payment on your phone. You can also see payments in here. You can see some of the demo information that we have. But if you want to, you have a catalog where you can click preset products. We put 2 in here that you're seeing on the phone. And LeadConnector on the right-hand side of the screen. You can also see the products on the desktop here. If we click on that, you also see them right here that we added. You create a new product by clicking the blue button. Let's see here, what else we'll show you. You can go back on the phone. You can see text messages. If you're texting any customers directly from the LeadConnector app. You can also see that in your conversations here. I guess it's not just texting, it would be keep track of all the emails and text messages for that customer on the LeadConnector app and on the desktop version right there. On the top left-hand side of your LeadConnector app, you can see Social Planner, Media Storage. That's going to be all your images. Social Planner is just if you're posting to your Facebook, your Google business page, LinkedIn, any of those items, you can do it directly through the Social Planner and GoHighLevel. You can schedule items too for your social posts. Opportunities we already talked about, that's kind of pulling your customers or your new leads through the funnel. If you're set up a new appointment, then maybe you have an estimate for them, and then maybe you complete the project, and then you kind of just move them along there in the pipeline. Let's see, your invoices. You can go in there if you have any invoices set up. This is just a demo account also. So that you'd also see in the payment side on the desktop. You can go into all your invoices, and that's what we're seeing right here. And then also on the phone, LeadConnector. So all these things are tied in together. You can do one or the other, use both right on your computer, or you can use the LeadConnector on your phone. You can set task items, reputation management here. You can create your products. You got documents and contracts and estimates. And those are kind of the main things on the LeadConnector app. And then you can also search for any conversations. If you're in the conversation part, you can go into your contacts. If you need to reach out to anyone, you click on who, for example, is Alex. We could then call him directly, send him a message, email him meetings, or just send him an invoice for the charge. So once your customer comes in, or you set them up and you pull them in from your current database, if it's your QuickBooks account, CSV file that you bring in, all their information will be in here on your LeadConnector app on your phone. Or if you had a website set up by us and we're using a smart website where your GoHighLevel account is connected with your website, it'll pull in their information automatically from the contact form that we have on your site. So it makes it a lot easier to kind of keep track of everything. Yeah, that's just a quick overview of using the LeadConnector app. The desktop version does show a lot more and different things you can get in, but you can definitely do a lot from your phone too. So this is a very useful tool to have when you're out on the go, say you're an electrician or some type of home service business. It can be very useful. Yeah, if you like this video, like and comment below. Leave any comments of things that you want to learn or hear about more with GoHighLevel and how it can help your local business. We'll be creating more videos, and your feedback is helpful to us. So we appreciate your time and talk to you guys soon. Thank you.